Hello guys, welcome to Tech Skills tutorial. This is your guy Johnson. Today on this video episode, I'm really happy to see you guys here today. Please, first of all, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button because today I have a special video for all of you guys on this channel watching my video. I really appreciate for your support. All right, today I want to show you guys how you can make 2000 naira every single day if you're able to turn your social media friends to helping you make cash every day. So this is what I'm about to show you today. It's a PalmPay app, which is an app which you can actually use and recharge and earn, do your subscriptions, your mobile, your Go TV, your subscriptions on all platforms like your NAPA, your bills. You just use it to pay bills and all the rest. As much you use the app, you get 10% and different percentage on the transactions you do. So today I actually use this app to earn money in one way, and that's the way I'm going to show you today. So keep on watching, guys. Right away, sorry it's taking much time. The app will open. Alright guys, here we are on PalmPay, guys. So we are on PalmPay and I want to show you how this video is working. Oh my god, so I can unlock app. Just seconds, guys. I need to unlock. Welcome back, guys. Here today you can see, let me skip this first of all. Skip. All right, so guys, here you can see PalmPay get credited, PalmPay ATM 2000 naira, claim cash every day. I claim 2000 naira every day as much as I introduce people to this PalmPay app. Anytime I bring 7 referrals each day, or within the next 38 hours, I get 2000 naira credited to my account. So guys, here take a look what's gonna happen. So take a look what's gonna happen right away. um get credited, withdraw cash. So watch what's gonna happen. Okay, all right, just watch. All right, then you go. Oh my god, sorry, it's opening. I'll still show you how to request for the cash every day. You introduce people, you make you can just troll out, hello, can you register on PalmPay app? You just talk to your friends, they'll register. Even so, you can just introduce them, they register. If you can get up to 7 people every 38 hours, you can be able to get 2000 naira every single day without stress. So guys, let me show you how to withdraw this cash. This is a free money you can actually withdraw. So let's take a step on how to do this. Withdraw cash. Click to claim cash. So they are giving you different prices which you can claim: 500, 1000. I actually love to claim 2000, which is higher tax. The bigger the money, the bigger the tax. So I choose 2000 naira cash every day, which I withdraw to my bank. Now this what's meaning. Time begins to count. I have 167 hours. Okay, today the hour has increased. 167 hours, 59 minutes, and 36 seconds remaining. So here is what they told me to do: claim 350 more to withdraw 2000 naira cash. So you can withdraw after inviting 5 new users. Hello guys, please subscribe and hit the notification button to help me claim 2000 naira cash. Please help me do this so I can claim this cash while you subscribe, and do not forget to hit the notification button to always get videos like this. So what you have to do, first of all, I'm going to drop my link below. Now I can choose to invite friends here, and if I should I have to send to my WhatsApp, Facebook, and all the rest. So which most of them sometimes do actually register, but it might take some time. Maybe the time I got expired. So this is how I do it. I also, go ads through that. I mean, people around me, you can register. This is a good app. You buy airtime, you get 10% discount. You buy any subscription, 10% discounts, and you save more money on 10% discount. How do you see it, guys? This is really cool. So here is it today. I'll be posting my link on the description below. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to support my channel. I remain Johnson Kelvin, guys. You're welcome to Test Case Tutorial. I'm really happy to see you guys. Very soon we'll be celebrating my channel, and this is gonna be a big party soon. My channel is really growing, and that's because you guys are supporting me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll be dropping the description immediately after copying the link. I'm gonna drop it to you guys on the YouTube channel. So do not forget to subscribe. Alright guys, this all for today. I'll be dropping another new video by an hour time. Tomorrow I'll be dropping another video tomorrow, which actually is another way to make money, and another way to also save money. So guys, please do not forget to create your account using the description below. I will give you all the necessary requirements, and if you need any help, you can actually call or chat me up on my WhatsApp number, or you can actually also send me a mail. Thank you. Goodbye.